Alright, so today we'll be talking about pretrial and trial process procedures. And then just going in order, we're going to start out with pretrial procedures in criminal cases, um, as stated by the American Bar Association, which is the page that I'm on right now. And you can find this just simply by typing in pretrial and trial process procedures. It has everything you need to know about what would happen going through a court case. For pretrial procedures in criminal cases, for the most part, they all follow the same general pattern. They have some very important variations. For example, more severe crimes or felonies such as sexual assault, murder, robbery, to name a few, will start out in a state or federal court, and some things later down the road will change too, such as the ability to receive bail. Sometimes with those more severe crimes, uh, they do not get the opportunity for bail if they're suspected to escape or hurt others. They can be detained in jail during the pretrial, all the way up to the trial and then the verdict. And that is called the pretrial detention practice. And this website, American Bar Association, has pretty much everything you'll need. If you click on any of these links right here, it will take you to pretty much the same as this page, where it'll give you a little paragraph kind of explaining the gist of it. We have everything from bail, plea bargaining, to final motions, verdict, and sentencing. And then if you go over to the trial process, actually, you know what? We'll go one more with the pre-trial process, and that would be on Cliff Notes. It's a similar page. This one's easier to read. It gives you a few examples of cases in the past to help you understand what's going on. Simple stuff like the right to a lawyer, the prosecutor's decision to charge, or reviewing the charge, the first court appearance, bail, preventative detention, so on and so forth. And then if we go over to the trial process, this is also on Cliff Notes. It's pretty easy to read. They bring up the Sixth Amendment, which is you get a speedy trial, a public trial in front of a jury, notice of accusations, confrontation of opposing witness, and then it kind of gives you some information here. The jury versus the bench trial, the jury pool, the right to a jury reflects across the community, all this good stuff that really helps you understand what could happen if you are ever, hopefully not in a criminal case, but if you are taking a part of one from the criminal justice side of things. And it's a similar website. And then to finish it off, there's a video on YouTube, and there's tons of these. They're really easy to find with the pretrial and trial process. They're anywhere from 5 minutes to about an hour long, depending on how in-depth you want to go. This one's about 16. It gives you slideshows almost as if you were in a criminal justice class. And it starts out with the pretrial, and it goes all the way through to the end with the trial and verdict, and I'm pretty sure it ends on the sentencing, or it ends on the verdict continued. So I hope this was really helpful, and thank you for listening.